And then because you thought you're really owning a business, and therefore you really don't care, if you own a business, you don't trade that all the time. And so therefore you think that you're somewhat different from just about everybody else in the market participant. But then the question is, if you really feel you're owner of business, why do you want to be the stock market? The stock market is not created for this type of a people, is that right? The stock market is fractionalized so that everybody can go in and go out. Is that right? Anybody have a view on that one? Who can tell me that asset you think is really kind of managed by value investors? Anybody have any guess? With that kind of a perception we just talked about? There's no real study, but there are a number of attempts of a study, including one actually by a professor next door at the law school, Lowenstein, yeah, and which really kind of put it at roughly under 5% of all assets. That actually is consistent from what we just talked about it.